Hello everyone, hopefully everyone's doing good today. I am Jason from Life Changes IND, and today I'm just gonna give you guys an introduction to AutoCAD on what it is and just the basic tools and such. So AutoCAD is a 3D designing program which you can use to make 3D models and any designs and such like that. So let's get started now, shall we? Once you open your AutoCAD application, you will be greeted like this. So this is the main starting screen where you can start your projects and start going. Either you can open a previous project you already saved or create a new project. So since we don't have any other projects right now, let's start with new. So once we start a new project, we'll be greeted into this screen. This is the basic canvas where we actually start drawing and stuff. So I'm not going to be showing you the tools right now, but just an introduction on how you can open documents and some basic stuff which you need once you start. So this is the canvas which is greeted with X and Y coordinates, which you can see here, and right now it's in 2D design. So in 2D design you can only draw 2D stuff. So if I draw a line where it looks like a square here, and if you use this compass here, to use it just left click on your mouse and drag over it, and you can see it's actually going into a 3D view where the Z axis comes up. From there you can see that it's actually only just 2D. In order to go from 2D to 3D, we go to this workplace switch and we can see 3D modeling. If we change to this, the tools up top also change according to that. So yeah, this way you can change your tools basically from drafting and annotation, which is basically all the 2D tools, to 3D. So that's the basic first thing once you go into AutoCAD is changing from 2D to 3D. And the next one is all these tools up here, right? The first tool is the new tool. It basically creates another drawing. If you have any templates, you can create it like that. And see, if you click on these, there are multiple other templates which you can use. Right now the tool which we right now the template which you're using is the default template, which would open like this. And the second one is open if you have any saved documents, which I'll show you guys now. So we want to save this drawing one. So basically just click on the save here and it will save anywhere where you choose. And there you go. It's saved as a drawing. And the next one is save as. Basically the same thing, only difference is when you press save, it will save in this drawing file. If you click on save as, you can save the drawing file with different file formats. And AutoCAD provides file formats that are really old, even from AutoCAD 2000 to 2013 and stuff, where the formats might have changed throughout the year. So you can save it in those formats as well. DWG, drawing, is the default format AutoCAD saves, and DXF is also another drawing format, but it's a little less a little bit more compatible with other drawings or other how would you call it? Other softwares, other 3D softwares and such. So anyways, that's the save as function. After that we have open from web and mobile and save web and mobile. So basically these are stuff, if you have the AutoCAD app on your mobile and if you want to open it, you can just use these to send it. Right now we are not going to say that. After that, the plot is the tool which you use to print out whatever you have drawn in a printer, basically, right? And then you have your typical undo tools, which you can just control Z to undo whatever you have drawn, and it will go back. And after undoing, you have the redo tool as well, which you can use control U to redo it as well. And yeah, that's about it. You also have a share tool if you want to share it through email or such. And yeah, mouse middle button helps you pen. And hopefully guys, this gave you an idea on what AutoCAD is, like how you can just start out. Maybe if you want to test out your own methods and finding out what the tools do and such. And for more classes, hopefully there will be some disclaimer or something with the video, so you guys know how to enroll and stuff if you want to see more classes. But now, thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll see each other in the next one. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. If you want to obtain a completion certificate, please click the link to our site. Sign up and choose the course level. It is mandatory to watch all the videos and finish the corresponding quiz within the time limit to unlock the final quiz. Get your course completion certificate after completing the final quiz of that level. Happy learning!